meteorologist Jesse Hawila back in. I know I'm not the only person. I saw this posted on social media a few other places that today kind of felt like the first day of summer because you know that it was sticky, it was warm, you know, high school graduations are happening, schools are getting out, and it just kind of feels like it's here.
It's here.
Yeah. And it only gets worse from here, folks.
I have to say this. Every year I hear people in North Texas say, oh, we didn't enjoy a spring. I gotta say, we had a good spring this year.
Yeah, I feel like we had moderate temperatures, a whole lot of rain.
Yep. We had a spring.
We had a spring.
Just in time for this. Now let me show you. It's gonna be above normal the next 4 days. By Thursday, it's just 1 degree shy, but we're going to be in the lower 90s. And then as we get into the work week, that 90 on Tuesday is going to feel closer to 98 or 99. We're really going to crank up the humidity as we get into the early part of the week. That sets us for the stage for some rain. Wednesday and Thursday, those 2 days especially have the highest chance to see showers and storms. Quiet tonight, quiet tomorrow. Quiet Monday. Tuesday's a pretty quiet day too. So here, let me show you. There's Tuesday morning at 7. We have a very low chance for a shower on Tuesday. It's a really low chance, 10%. Wednesdays when we crank the rain chance up, that's 7 a.m. Scattered showers and storms will roll through North Texas on Wednesday. One of them could be strong with a little bit of hail or some gusty winds. That's certainly not out of the question. Then on Thursday, we have a chance for strong to severe thunderstorms again. In fact, that'll be the better chance to see strong or severe thunderstorms. Scattered storms, damaging wind gusts, maybe some large hail. That's possible on Thursday. There's 7 p.m. You see the coverage of rain fairly high as we get to Thursday. Then by Friday, it dwindles down. Not much of a coverage of rain on Friday. So if we look at the severe weather outlook, the only day for now that we have a risk, and I think Wednesday may get added to this, the only day we have a risk for now is on Thursday. It includes the Dallas-Fort Worth area and off to the northeast. I'll say this, the setup that we're getting into the end of next week is not, big tornado outbreak type of setup or baseball size hail type of setup. This is a very typical late spring, early summer type of deal where damaging winds will likely be the #1 concern and maybe some quarter size hail. But in terms of, the mega hail that you see around here in North Texas, so big tornadoes, that's very unlikely as we get into the middle of next week. 1 to 2 inches of rain is in the forecast through next weekend. A lot of this will be Wednesday and Thursday. The highest totals will be northeast of the Metroplex. The lowest totals will be to the west. But this just adds into what has already been a pretty wet year so far, and a wet spring too. Tonight, 71 with mostly clear skies. It's warm and muggy tonight with light winds out of the south, 5 to 10. Tomorrow, like today, really, 92 degrees, mostly sunny skies, warm, humid, and breezy. We have that air quality alert in effect for the Dallas-Fort Worth area and surrounding areas of the Metroplex too. South winds 10 to 20. 14-day forecast. A lot of warmth. A lot of 80s, a lot of 90s, and you'll see scattered thunderstorm chances. Highest coverage Wednesday and Thursday. And I will remind folks, I know you see all those rain icons through Memorial Day weekend and then beyond that. That is so late spring, getting into summer months, June. That's when we start to ramp up those little pop-up thunderstorm chances and maybe some overnight complexes of storms. That's just very typical for this time of the year. Not washouts every single day or anything like that. So Saturday, Sunday, and Memorial Day Monday, slight chance for a thunderstorm and toasty.
Toasty, I would say so. It's the